How to order foreign currencies from the Chase Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll talk about how to order foreign currencies. Unfortunately, Chase Bank currently does not offer foreign currency accounts, but do not worry, there are a lot of alternatives that you can go for. One of such great option is Wise account, which allows you to handle over 50 currencies and receive up to 10 different types of currencies. Chase Bank, being a major bank in US and UK, still does not offer foreign currency services. It could be due to legal restriction and operational considerations. The bank may not find it cost effective due to the low demand and the complexity of managing inventory and exchange rates. Specialized currency exchange providers might be a better fit. These providers are set up to handle currency exchanges and manage risk. Availability of foreign currency services can vary bank to bank, so it could be a good idea to contact the Chase Bank directly. So, even if Chase Bank does not offer the services, you can go for alternatives available. Hopefully, this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.